Well, it's dyno day. Car's getting ready to hit the dyno and get tuned. At least the engine. More to follow. Well, here's the overall dyno results. Max power ended up being 336 at 5,475 RPM. Max torque ended up being 322 at 5,450 RPM. There's a little how the little graph went. There's the whole slip right there. So all in all, it was a great dyno session, and got a little tuning done on the engine.
unfortunately the transmission was not accessible for tuning, so there'll need to be some more work done on that in the future. So basically the engine got tuned, but for some reason we couldn't get into the transmission control module. The software couldn't access it, so thank you Cadillac, you won't let us in to do some shifting, because shifting has quite a bit to do with it, and if you can't shift very good, well, you know, all the engine power in the world isn't going to help you. So that's the downfall. So hope in the future that we can get some transmission management going on and be able to adjust the shift point, shift pressure, get shift pressure up to the maximum so it doesn't just sit there and burn up the internals of the transmission, burn up the clutches and the discs and stuff. So, well, things worked out pretty good as far as could be, you know. HP tuners only let us do the engine instead of the transmission, so the engine power is up from what it was before. So I mean, performance is performance, so hopefully I'll be able to be faster the next time I try at the track. And you guys have a great day and mad boosting.